In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an opening balance in QuickBooks online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right date and amount. So your books start off accurate and your reports make sense. Begin by opening your browser, heading to QuickBooks Online, and signing into your company. It helps to use an admin or a role with access to the chart of accounts, so you can create or update accounts as needed. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu. Click Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. This is the central list of every account in your company: bank and credit card accounts, assets, liabilities, and more. Now, locate the specific account you want to give an opening balance. Maybe a checking account, a company credit card, or another asset. If you already see it in the list, great. If not, create it by clicking New. Choose the correct account type and detail type to match what the account actually is. Give it a clear, recognizable name so it's easy to find later. Then click Save and Close. Picking the right type is important because it affects where the account appears on reports and how it behaves in your books. If you're setting up a brand new account, you'll see an option in the New Account window to enter opening balance. Click that, then type in the balance as of your start date. Your start date is usually the day you begin tracking this account in QuickBooks, often the first day of a new month or year. Use the amount that matches your records on that exact date. A quick tip: make sure the number ties to a reliable source, like a bank or credit card statement, so you don't have to adjust later. If the account already exists, open its register by clicking View Register next to the account. From there, add a new entry, either a journal entry or a new transaction, and enter the balance as of your start date. For the other side of the entry, use the opening balance equity account. That equity account is designed to hold the offset for opening amounts so your books stay in balance. If you're unsure about debit or credit direction for the account type, double-check your prior statements or consult your accountant to keep things consistent. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. That's it. Your account now has an opening balance and will reflect correctly in your reports, giving you a clean, accurate foundation for all future transactions.